battery technology. It is at the leading edge there. Artificial intelligence, as you said, Andrew. And I think one of the most important things, you ask who the winners are going to be, they're going to be those companies with proprietary data.
Speaking of battery and artificial intelligence, let's look at what Musk is doing with Dogecoin. According to the Financial Times, Twitter is applying for a regulatory license throughout the United States to permit payment on a microblogging platform. Twitter is simultaneously building software to add payments function for its social media users. Per the report, the news sent Doge on a big rally from a low of 0.084 to a high of 0.0947, a more than a 12% increase. Doge is now trading for 0.9405 at the time of making this video. Musk, a well-known Dogecoin supporter, purchased Twitter for $44 billion last October and has talked about his intention to bring fintech service to the popular platform. According to the report, Musk has tapped Twitter Director of Management, Esther Crawford, to design the payment architecture. She joined the company in 2020. Twitter registered with the US Treasury back in November to function as a payment processor and began to apply for a required state license to provide payment service. Said the report, Twitter hoped to finalize state approval within the year, and then on international regulatory approvals. The new payment feature is reportedly to launch initially with fiat currency, but will have the capability to add cryptocurrency later on. Now back with Cathie Wood. ARK Invest Cathie Wood detailed massive 2,000% Bitcoin rally prediction after crypto market bounce. In a new CNBC interview, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood says that she firmly believed the top crypto asset will soar by more than 2,000% within 7 years.
In fact, we're a little higher than that in our base case for the year 2030, and in our bull case, much higher.
Wood says the scandal and bankruptcy that hit the crypto space in 2022, like the implosion of Bankman-Fried FTX, actually underscore the value of decentralization and transparency in the Bitcoin and Ethereum ecosystem.
If you look at what has happened in the last year, actually, Sam Bankman-Fried didn't like Bitcoin at all. And he didn't like it because of its decentralization and transparency. And what companies went under, they were the highly centralized, non-transparent, opaque companies. So FTX, Celsius, 3AC, Three Arrows Capital. If you look at what happened to Bitcoin, the network, and Ethereum, the network, they really didn't skip a beat. All transactions were completed. All smart contracts opened and closed. So I think that starting with 0809, which is when Bitcoin really debuted, and even more so after the crypto fallout this past year, the collapse in many companies, this idea of transparency and decentralization is taking hold. And Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two best manifestations of that in the crypto world.
After a significant bounce from November's lows, Bitcoin is now worth $23,533. And Ethereum, ETH is trading for $1,633, $30.